Making homemade pizzas is such a great activity to do with the kids. It gets them involved and it's great for the whole family to do an activity together. Hi everyone, I'm Rhiannon from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and today I'm going to show you how to cook up some mouth-watering wood-fired pizzas in the Flaming Coals Premium wood-fired pizza oven. So it looks like our masterpieces are ready. We're gonna get those into the wood-fired pizza oven, but I think that's a job for the adults. So we lit our Flaming Coals Premium wood-fired oven about 30 minutes ago. Started off with some kindling, used some hardwood on top, and we're sitting at about 425 degrees. Now, as you can see, that fire is absolutely cranking, so it's time to get the pizzas in. So our pizzas are now done. As you can see, they took about 2.5 minutes to cook in the Flaming Coals wood-fired pizza oven. How amazing do they look? Do they look good, guys? Is it good? I think you look pretty happy.